Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to write on your PowerPoint slides during your presentation or during any of your display. You may want to showcase something or make emphasis during your presentation or highlight some section, or even sometimes you can use the pointer tool, okay, while you're presenting, just to make your presentation look very professional. And sometimes you can even incorporate the use of the laser pointer. Okay, so let's start. So assuming I'm on my PowerPoint slide right now and I have this project, I have like 15 slides over here, and I want to start my presentation from beginning. As usual, I can come to slideshow, and then you can go start from beginning, and now you are on your slideshow mode. Okay, so the first thing you need to notice is that as you hover over your slide, you can come down here, you notice the pen tool over here. So you click on it, you have the option to select the color of the pen that you want to use to write. So for example, let's say at this point I want to use something like yellow color, and then you can just go ahead. You can see with this pointer tool you can be able to highlight things. Maybe this illustration, you can say this is this business idea we're talking about, and it's presented by myself. For example, while through the presentation you can be able to highlight some concepts. Maybe something is very useful, you can be able to highlight it, and if the color is not okay, you can always fall back and change it by just right clicking, and then you can come to pointer option. You can go to the pen option, or you can still come back to this selection, and then you can click and change it. For example, at this point I think a red color could be much better and much more visible. Okay, so you can just use that for illustration purpose, and you can be able to use it to write different kind of things during your illustration will be about. Okay, so it's all boils down to you. Now, another key thing I found useful is the eraser tool. You can always clean up what you do by just right clicking and coming over to pointer option and straight down to eraser. You can erase alt at a time, but you can just be moving. You can see with just a click you are deleting or cleaning up the write-up, and if you want, you can do that at a time. You can come to the same erase all link on slide, so you can just with one click erase everything. And you can enable the pointer tool as well, the laser pointer. You can as well enable it from here, so during your presentation it becomes very easy to make your presentations very engaging and interactive, so people can be able to see and move along with you as you move through your explanation. They can be able to justify and see what you are visually showing during your presentation. So quite a number of things with the pointer option. You can use the highlighter as well, so you can select and highlight different things to showcase emphasis as well. You can change the color of this as well. If you're interested, you can still come back and change it to maybe red or black or something. So you can see it's quite very useful if you are interested in something like this. So the ink color you can always choose from here as well. All right, the highlighter option, you have the option to change a lot of things. You have different kind of access from here. So this basically does it on the use of writing tool during your presentation, and it goes on at any given slide. You can demonstrate something and you can highlight things as well. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.